Maston ONE, spray painting made better. The combination of the spray nozzle and the unique paint formula creates a better painting experience. It allows covering more surface with less overspray. To start, shake the can for 3 minutes. Remove the cap. Before application, test spray the product away from the object to be coated. Spray slowly at 15 centimeters distance. Spray 1 to 2 layers. Wait 5 minutes between layers. Spray in cross layers to obtain full coverage. When finished, clean the nozzle by spraying upside down. The painted surface should look smooth and even, and will be touch dry in about 15 minutes depending on the drying conditions. Maston ONE, spray painting made better.